A lot of thin sheet, guys. A lot of thin sheet. A lot of thin sheet for baking purpose. Yeah. Price is there. $74.37 plus tax. Christmas is here, guys. So in Jamaica we do bake our cake or Christmas cake in these thin sheet. Here they are. So I'm here in the supermarket, guys, and I'm looking at Malta this time for my Jamaican family and for my international people. This is Malta, guys. I so love Malta. Very tasty. Look at the different flavor that they have. Coffee. Wow. For those who love coffee, I know you will love this one here. Yeah, caffeine. Yeah. There they have the original. Yes, so many of us in Jamaica, we know of the original. Yes. After the original there, they started to give us different, flavor. Malta. Yes. Here we have the vanilla. Yes. I so love Malta. Yes, very refreshing. Yes, especially when cold. Yeah, that's original. Right. Yes. Delicious Malta, guys. Yes, so welcome back to self-care, health and wellness, guys. And I'm in the supermarket here, walking through the different oils, just taking you guys for a tour. So in the supermarket here, they sell a wide variety of items, guys, from curtains, towels, bath rug. Yes, bath towels, bath rug, curtain for your homes. Rugs. They have soap dispenser, soap dish to put your soap in. Head cap. Yeah. So just taking you around, let you see What's going on? So just eye shopping, guys. Yes. Picking up a few items, but just taking you guys around, let you see what's going on in the supermarket. So I'm in the area, Hershey. Woo, so love Hershey, guys. Woo. That's it. And the price for Hershey there. Here we have prune. Yes, retail prune. That's the price. There they have currant. Yes, in bulk. There is mixed fruits. Yeah. Cherries. Yeah. As well as raisin. Yeah. So these are fruits we put in cake. Yeah. And they have the pack one as well. Pack prune, dry cranberries. Yeah. Baking tins. So we have wine opener, stuff for baking here, measuring cups. Yeah. Yeah. This is the measuring cup, guys. Measuring spoons, strainers, yeah, cake lifter, pot holder, container to put your cake in after baking. That's the price there. That's the price. Yes. Baking tin. It's Christmas, guys. Christmas season is coming up, so you can put your cake or your pudding. Here in Jamaica, we bake a lot of Christmas cake, guys. A lot of Christmas cake. You know, another tin sheet here. Whether for baking or when you prepare your meal, you pour out the protein or the rice. Yeah. The salad in these containers. So you have the large one. You have the small container. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And these are plate drainers, guys. You wash your dishes, you turn them down. You dry them and turn them down in your plate drainers, the containers. And they can, these are some container, multi-purpose containers. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe.